WITSON.
Here we use yellow carton box to pack this product. The accessories. Inside the package, we use EPE to fit and protect our product. Let's first take a look at the accessories. The microphone, canvas, power cable, cable for aux input, output, and others. USB cable. GPS antenna. Machine. And this is the panel. And here are all the things in the package. About this product, I will show you some basic function. First, let's enter settings to check the configuration. Here's system info. There are some informations here, and you can also click here more settings about tablet. You can check the configuration here, like the Android version is 9. Okay, let's back to the main interface. It has navigation, and radio. Long press here to save the radio station. And here is the DSP function. You can adjust by yourself here. Music. Here is also the DSP function. Video. Picture-in-picture function. And it is DSP. You can adjust here directly. And also Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile phone Bluetooth with this machine, and then you can download the telephone directory of the mobile phone, and then you can make phone calls. And you can also listen to the music of your mobile phone. You can enhance settings to change the device name and password. And here are also other applications. Click here for Google Play Store and other applications. And you can enter settings. Here are some settings like navigation and date and time, language, radio region, and other settings. And here more settings. Here is the network and internet. You can connect to Wi-Fi here. And here system is also languages, day and time, and other settings. About our products, you can follow us on YouTube to get more information.
Zhuhai WITSON Industrial Company Limited, established in 2003, have over 17 years, plenty of experience about car DVD GPS products. Our products mainly include all-in-one special OEM series, vertical Tesla series, universal big screen plus various frame series, and Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz big screen series. For same car type, we can supply different price lever hardware and UI design in order to meet different market demand. WITSON hires faithful professional engineers and marketing sales, engaged in car multimedia products over 10 years, developing 5 to 8 new models per month, and can supply over 1,500 different models for different car brand. All our products will have fully QC checking work before shipment. The factory has highly automated production equipment and 100,000 grade standard dust-free workshop, which covers area of 4,000 square meter. Efficient productivity ensures many high-quality and reliable products in short time. We understand time is money under today's increasingly competitive environment, so we keep average 2,000 pieces different models stock monthly to bring our customers with fast and short delivery time to win more market opportunity. Mostly important, we have our European warehouse stock for some hot sales models to supply our EU customers with fast and tax-free shipping way. WITSON accept different business cooperation way, like OEM, ODM, dropship. We trust we could support you increasing the business by our professional experience, various newly developed products, plenty of stock, and one-stop shop service. Join with WITSON and we growth together.
Welcome to WITSON! WITSON, better than expected!
WITSON